guys, today we're going to study about the topic Eubacteria. Eubacteria is known as the true bacteria. It is categorized by a rigid cell wall and has flagella. The flagella helps the bacteria in locomotion or in movement, we can say. They have short appendages on the cell surface known as pili, and these pili help the bacteria during sexual reproduction. Pili also help the bacteria to attach itself to the host on which it is acting as a pathogen. We can categorize Eubacteria into two categories. First is the gram-negative and second is the gram-positive. In gram-positive, the outer membrane is present, and in gram-negative, the outer membrane is absent. The gram-negative bacteria under microscope appears to be purple in color, and the gram-positive bacteria under microscope appears to be pink in color. Some examples of gram-positive bacteria: Bacilli and Clostridium. If we talk about some examples of gram-negative bacteria, Acetobacter and Borrelia. Eubacteria can be chemosynthetic in nature or can be heterotrophic bacteria. Chemosynthetic means that they synthesize their food by the means of chemical reactions. Heterotrophic bacteria means that they rely on dead material or on other organisms for their intakes. Chemosynthetic bacteria oxidizes on various inorganic substrates such as nitrogen, ammonia, and use their released energy for ATP production. These bacteria are used for recycling nutrients such as nitrites, phosphorus, iron and sulfur. Now the second category is heterotrophic bacteria. These bacteria are abundant in nature and are very useful also. They help in the process of making curd, some in the production of antibiotics, and some bacteria can be harmful to plants as well as humans and animals, causing severe diseases and effects. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.